What's going on, guys? So like I said I was going to do, I'm going to give a quick tutorial of how you can make your own YouTube thumbnail, how to use Canva, how to create your own images, and how to download them using your phone on Android, because I know there's not many tutorials out there as I've looked for them myself. So what you want to do first of all is you want to go to Google Play Store and just type in Canva. Simply install it, and then once you get your app, this is what it looks like. This is your home page. So in the search bar you want to type YouTube thumbnail, as you can see, and I always start with a blank template. Now you don't have to, I just prefer to. So you can search templates, you can use these if you want, but I've noticed that a lot of these templates have been used before, the free ones, and as you can see it's got the pro sign there. Now you have to actually sign up for the pro version of Canva to actually be able to use them, and pay a monthly subscription. But not to worry, because you can make some good thumbnails yourself just from the free one. And what I do is I go to upload media, and you just come and you can upload your own downloads, things that you've downloaded from the internet yourself. Like I'll just choose this one as a demonstration. So let's say I'm doing a video of nighttime effect or something like that. So you just come across and you can shorten it, you can make it wider like this just by scrolling across, and then you just press, if you want to change the colour, you just click there for your colour. You can have all different colours like that. If you want to add text, just simply press the plus button there, and then you can see text. You just click on text, and then you get these headings, or a subheading, or small. Now it doesn't really matter what size you use, because you can change the size of the text anyway. And then you get all these different types of text that you can see. You've got the pro versions, but I just normally choose add a heading, and then you can move that across, and then click on edit there, and like this is a YouTube thumbnail. Like that, as you can see, this is a YouTube thumbnail. Move that, and then if you want to change the size, you can see font size, click on that, and you've got this bar what moves forwards and backwards, and as you can see you can make it bigger or smaller, small as you like. And then when you're ready with it, all you simply do is tidy everything up, put it where you want, and then you see the arrow pointing down, you click on that, you save image, and it wants to be a PNG file, so you click save, and there you go. As simple as that. Now if you want to add your own images, all you would do before you come on Canva is you would go to Google or Pixabay or wherever you want to use, download your image first into your phone, and then you just click on uploads and go to upload media, upload whatever you want, and you can upload images, videos, audio, anything you like. You've got your templates that you can use, you've got elements, different elements like pound signs, shapes, graphics, photos, all these types. You've got your audio, you've got charts, frames, grids, and then you've got your gallery. That's but you recently used yourself. You've got your uploads, your text, and last of all, your apps and integrations, which I rarely use. I basically just use uploads and text to create my thumbnails, and yeah, it's as simple as that, guys. If you want to scroll forwards or backwards, you've got these arrows up here. If you just click, it just takes you one step back each for every thing that you did. One step, you just keep clicking back. Home takes you back to home screen. And that's it. How to use Canva to make a thumbnail for YouTube using an Android phone. I'll see you tomorrow, guys.